So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix weak suction of your LENOVO T1 S Pro. First of all, try checking if the dustbin was emptied. To do it, open the dustbin by pressing on the button on the back of the robot down and then pulling the dustbin out. Now, open it with this lock and empty the dust collected inside. Now also see if the filter is clean. You can open it, and if you can see any particles that shouldn't be there, you can remove them manually or rinse the filter. If you're rinsing the filter, make sure to let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back in to prevent mold. Now, if that didn't help, try flipping your robot over in order to see whether the main brush isn't clogged. So open it by pressing here, then remove the main brush. See if it's clean, if it has anything on it, remove it. If there's hair stuck to it, also you can cut the hair with a knife or scissors. Then you can put it back in, and if none of it helped, then you may want to check in the app whether there are some issues. Maybe you just have that weaker suction mode enabled in the app. So I'll show it to you right now. In the app of the robot, I can click on the suction and I can set it to no suction, low, standard, or max suction, and set it to a higher level than the current one and see if it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.